It's about a 16-year-old organization. The motivation for the organization kind of started a little after the Human Genome Project, which really changed the face of genetics and biomedicine in the world. And the founders of Broad Institute at that time, 16, 17 years ago, came together, said that they wanted to find a way that researchers from Harvard, MIT, and the Harvard-affiliated hospitals could come together and start a research institution where the sole mission accelerate the pace of human health research by leveraging like genomics and the power of genomics at that time. And that's how Broad Institute was founded. And it is like independent research nonprofit. But it's an interesting model because a lot of scientists at the Broad are PIs, and Broad is not an academic, like it's not a university. So the PIs either have a Harvard or an MIT affiliation. So they could be an associate professor at MIT and they have a lab at Broad. Or somebody could be a physician and a scientist at Harvard Medical School, and they have a collaborator and a partner project at Broad Institute. And I think like what really helped is the ecosystem, that is Boston and Cambridge ecosystem. All these institutions are only one train stops away from each other. So I think like this model thrives here is because you could have had like, maybe you're a doctor at Mass General Hospital and you were there in the morning, and then in the afternoon you take a train and you come to Broad Institute and you're meeting with your lab, having a lab meeting or a seminar there. So there's this cross-disciplinary collaborations only with the common mission of doing cutting edge research. If anyone listening to this interview, if you're from like a life science field, like check out careers at Broad Institute. If you are looking for postdocs, if you're somebody who's from bioinformatics, software engineering, math, like all of these fields, people are coming together from these diverse backgrounds to come and work at a place which wants to impact human health and disease.